Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Austrian Airlines Baggage Policy. Carry-on allowance. Most passengers are allowed one piece of carry-on luggage and one personal item. The carry-on bag must not exceed 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters and 8 kg. The personal item, e.g., laptop bag, handbag, should fit under the seat in front of you. Checked baggage allowance. The free checked baggage allowance varies depending on the fare type, route, and frequent flyer status. Economy light fares typically don't include checked baggage, while other fares may include one or more pieces. Weight limits. Standard weight limit for checked bags is 23 kg per piece. Business class passengers and certain frequent flyers may be allowed up to 32 kg per piece. Size limits. Checked bags must not exceed 158 centimeters in total dimensions. Length plus width plus height. Excess baggage. Additional or overweight bags incur fees, which vary based on route and fare type. It's advisable to pre-book excess baggage online for discounted rates. Special items. Sports equipment, musical instruments, and other special items may have different allowances or require special handling. Some items may be carried for free in addition to the standard allowance. Infant baggage. Infants, under 2 years, without a seat are typically allowed a folding stroller or car seat, plus one bag up to 23 kg for items needed during the flight. Frequent flyer benefits. Miles and more status members often enjoy increased baggage allowances, depending on their tier level. Codeshare flights. When flying on a codeshare partner, the operating carrier's baggage policy usually applies. It's important to check the specific rules for your itinerary. Prohibited items. Certain items are not allowed in checked or carry-on baggage due to security regulations. These include explosives, flammable substances, and other dangerous goods. Some items may be allowed in checked bags but not in the cabin, or vice versa. Always check the specific baggage allowance for your fare type and route when booking, as policies can vary. Pack valuables, important documents, and essential items in your carry-on bag. Label all baggage with your name and contact information. Be aware of liquid restrictions for carry-on bags. Generally 100 milliliters per container, fitting in a 1-liter clear, resealable bag. Arrive at the airport with sufficient time to check in baggage, especially if you have special items or excess baggage. For the most up-to-date and detailed information, it's recommended to consult Austrian Airlines' official website or contact their customer service directly, as policies may change over time. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.